My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 Ford Fiesta ST3. This vehicle has done just under 70,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, on the first page we have navigation, mobile apps and Bluetooth. On the second page we have Apple and Android CarPlay, voice control and valet mode, emergency assistance and our vehicle settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. If we press our mode button, we can switch between our three different driving modes: normal, sport and racetrack. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of the seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.